Okay, so we are on the boat. It's dirty, but it's here, and we just got the lock off the doors, and we are gonna get the home zone out of it and turn the batteries on and see if we can't get some power to the beast.
It's dry.
Oh my God, if it's dry, I'm gonna be a
gotta
happy
take a deep
girl.
breath.
I'm gonna be a happy girl. David's going in.
It's going dry.
Oh my God. This is like a hallelujah moment.
Well, this was the big one.
Yes?
That one's bone dry. Let me get the home zone out of here.
Okay.
Dry.
We are checking all of our things that we thought were leaks. Oh, sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm really excited and I'm very nervous. We are.
The damp rids in the front was overflowing
Oh, all over the floor?
on the counter.
Oh, the counter I don't care about.
Yeah, well, it's all wet.
Well, we got stuff to clean it with, honey. Oh, here we go. This is like the home zone coming out of the boat. Here we go. Oh, that doesn't work. Okay, never mind.
I need to come up and breathe.
Yeah, come up and breathe. Yeah, this is like a
How many did I get?
nasty 1, 2.
4, 5.
Was there stuff in the Toll House cookie?
Yeah.
2. Oh, I am a super happy camper.
I'm gonna find the rest of them if there's any more. Yep, there's one in the kitchen.
Oh, baby looks good. Oh, is that the one that was overflowing?
No, this one.
Oh, it was on the wood?
Yeah, that's what
Oh
I'm
shit, I
saying.
thought you said the kitchen counter.
I said on the counter in the Weber. Yeah, it's all buckled.
No.
You know,
Oh well, can't have everything, I guess.
move.
Yeah,
There's no
just
garbage
put it
down
there.
there.
You'll have to. Okay, I'm gonna get up out of your way. Yeah, this is like an amazing thing here. We're doing like really pretty good, considering what we could have had. Is there some down here?
I've already taken 2 out of there.
Okay. Oh boy. Need to see if we can open up some curtains and get some light in here. There we go. Okay. Dee-do. Oh, that's a damp rid. That's okay. Whoa. Yeah, well, the damp rid in here is oh. All right. Well, we'll wipe that down. This is all okay. Holy buckets. Yeah, the damp rid in the sink in here
Yep.